What's the meaning of conniption? Conniption. Conniption.
Conniption. Conniption. Conniption is a colloquial term used to describe an extreme, irrational outburst of anger or frustration.
When someone experiences a conniption, they may yell, scream, throw things, or behave in an otherwise uncontrollable manner. The result of a conniption can be damaging both physically and emotionally, often leaving the person experiencing it feeling exhausted and overwhelmed.
If left unchecked, repeated conniptions can lead to serious health problems and may cause strain on personal and professional relationships.
It is important to seek help if you feel that you are experiencing frequent or uncontrollable conniptions.